Tomorrow will be different than today. Globalization and new technologies are changing the needs of the electric energy marketplace, and traditional switchgear isn't always enough to get the job done right or safely. So Siemens created a new breed of switchgear that's ready for tomorrow's changing world, the NXAirP. The NXAirP is medium voltage metal-clad switchgear that's different by design.
Siemens saw the need for a new kind of switchgear to meet the challenges of the changing market. So we asked our American customers what they wanted, and we designed the NXAirP with their input in mind.
Siemens invested 3 years of research, development, and extensive testing to create switchgear that meets the needs for the future. The NXAirP has interrupting ratings of 250 MVA through 1000 MVA and 25 kA through 50 kA, a voltage class of 5 kV and 15 kV, and a continuous current of 1200 amps to 4000 amps. As the name implies, the NXAirP is air-insulated switchgear with vacuum interrupter circuit breaker technology.
Multinational companies are looking for single source ordering and to simplify maintenance and operator training. It was clear that the NXAirP needed to be a global product.
With standards harmonization narrowing the gap between the American National Standards Institute and the International Electrotechnical Commission, Siemens decided to design the NXAirP as the first switchgear to meet all global standards of ANSI and IEC. It also carries third-party listings with Underwriters Laboratory and the Canadian Standards Association. Operator safety is another major concern for our customers, making arc-vented equipment more important than ever. Siemens has been doing arc fault tests for over 25 years, which resulted in the design of the NXAirP.
While arc events can't be completely eliminated, switchgear can vent the arc away from the operator. We say that the NXAirP is arc vented rather than arc resistant because if an arcing fault occurs, it is designed to handle it in the safest way possible.
In the event of an arcing fault, the NXAirP directs the arc and hot gases upward through the top of the switchgear and away from the operator. The NXAirP will be available with or without the arc venting features. However, with the increased importance of operator safety reflected in the newly issued IEEE standard, arc venting will become commonly specified in North America. To offer the safety of arc venting, we developed the NXAirP with a one-high breaker design.
Many switchgear operators aren't used to this one-high design, so we've had to address a lot of questions about the NXAirP. As it turns out, only 15 to 20% of switchgear units in the United States have the breaker in the top compartment.
We feel the arc venting benefits of the one-high design far outweigh any loss of stacking ability.
The NXAirP's one-high design also offers space savings benefits. It is less wide than traditional switchgear, which contributes to its smaller footprint. It also features front primary cable access to allow the NXAirP to be flush mounted with the back wall. A back-to-back lineup with front primary cable access requires 59% less space than existing ANSI equipment on a per-section basis. That allows considerable space savings over traditional switchgear. If a job needs top cable entry, which would require an 18-inch rear extension, the NXAirP still uses 25% less space than existing ANSI gear.
The NXAirP's fully functioning smaller design can translate into significant floor space savings.
Speed of manufacturing and delivery is crucial in the global marketplace. To meet these demands, Siemens adopted a modular design for the NXAirP.
By globally manufacturing the NXAirP and modular components, we can deliver our orders more efficiently. In fact, the NXAirP can be delivered as quickly as 11 weeks from your order date.
A section of Siemens NXAirP switchgear is made up of 4 modules or compartments: a circuit breaker compartment, a low voltage compartment, a main bus compartment, and a cable compartment. Its modularity also allows for easy installation of the low voltage compartment in the field. This is particularly beneficial on fast-track jobs where the primary portion of the switchgear needs to be installed ahead of the relaying, metering, and control. Siemens invites you to see the future of switchgear for yourself at the IEEE T&D show in Atlanta this October. The NXAirP will be on display, and initial orders will be taken for delivery in February of 2002. The NXAirP is a new breed of switchgear for a changing global marketplace. At Siemens, we don't wait for change, we plan for it.